What's going on, everyone? Javin here, and today we're going to be going over a trade I took on USDCHF a little bit earlier tonight, and we can see right off the bat that we have a very strong uptrend. We can see higher highs and higher lows being created. Here's a higher high right here, higher low, higher low, higher high, and then right here, when we get into this area, this is where we start looking for price structure to change because we are no longer producing higher highs. We can see that price does break beneath this area, creating a structure change, which we have marked right here. You can see how price structure hits this area that broke it to change, and then price tanks. So once we saw this break happen and we see price retracing back into this area where price structure changed, I went down to a smaller time frame on the 1 minute chart, and we can see how price quickly came into this area, and then immediately we start getting indecision in the market, and then we get this engulfing candle right here. So as soon as this candle closed, I went ahead and took my trade right here as soon as this candle closed. Okay, so at the top of this candle, we took our trade, and you can see how every time price comes back into this area, it gets rejected before the final big drop that we were anticipating. Our trade ended up closing right here. We took a $500 30-minute put, and we can see that our trade did close in profit, giving us 150 total, but only 350 of that was profit. It's a very, very simple trade. You guys know by now that I like to keep trading as simple as possible. There's no need to overcomplicate it. It's just about being patient and waiting for the trade to come to you. Simple market structure. We had an uptrend, and we see that the trend is over right here. When it breaks price structure, we wait for price to retest the area that made the price structure change, and then we simply take our trade if the price action that we see is confirming that price is going to go down, and that's exactly what happened. So we ended up taking the trade, and it was an easy win. If you guys have any questions over anything in this video that you didn't understand, please drop a comment below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible.